The Maldives, a paradise on earth with pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and overwater bungalows. But let's be real, the Maldives doesn't come cheap. The resorts can be a big splurge for most travelers. But what if I told you there's a way to experience the magic of the Maldives without breaking the bank? Yep, you heard it right. Today we are revealing all the secrets to having an amazing time in the Maldives on a tight budget. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime, because we're going to show you how to explore the Maldives without emptying your wallet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic stories. Tip number 1, time your trip right. It's no secret that when everyone wants to go somewhere, prices skyrocket. That's why it's always smart to think about when to travel. For the Maldives, the best time is from May to October, which is the low season. During this time, fewer tourists visit, so you'll find cheaper flights and accommodation. Plus, it's still hot and sunny, perfect for soaking up the rays. Now, here's the deal. If you want to save cash, you need to plan ahead. Booking months in advance will help you score the best deals. Check out websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights to find the cheapest days to fly. As for hotels, use sites like Booking, Calm, or Agoda. Last-minute deals can be great too, but you might miss out on the best prices. Tip number 2, skip the private resorts. When you picture the Maldives, you might imagine staying in a private resort. While those resorts are amazing, they can be pricey. Instead, consider exploring the local islands. Places like Mafushi, Thulustu, or Defushi offer a similar tropical vibe, but with more affordable options. On these islands, you can find guest houses that are much cheaper than resorts while still enjoying the beauty of the Maldives. And guess what? These guest houses are clean, cozy, and often have stunning ocean views. Plus, you'll get to experience local Maldivian culture. Tip 3, ditch the speedboats for public ferries. Okay, here's an insider tip. Instead of taking expensive speedboats between islands, hop on public ferries. We're talking about ferries that cost just a few dollars compared to speedboats that can set you back over $100. Public ferries are a great way to see the islands and mingle with the locals. However, keep in mind that the schedules are limited, so plan ahead. You'll find ferry timetables at the Maldives Ferry website. Pro tip, bring some snacks and drinks because there's limited availability on board. Tip 4, book guest houses or budget hotels. Worried about finding affordable accommodation in the Maldives? Don't be. There are plenty of clean and comfortable guest houses that won't break the bank. With prices ranging from $50 to $100 per night, these guest houses are nestled amidst lush greenery and just a stone's throw away from the beach. Some even offer free breakfast or tours, making your stay even more budget-friendly. To find the best deals, check out websites like Booking, Calm, Agoda, or Airbnb. Just type in your desired location and filter your search by price. Remember to read the reviews to ensure a pleasant stay. Tip number 5, eat local. Let's talk about food. Trying local cuisine is a must when traveling. In the Maldives, you'll find delicious Maldivian snacks called hedika and local cafes called hota serving up tasty treats. These spots are not only budget-friendly, but also offer a true taste of Maldivian culture. Plus, eating at local places will save you money. Meals can cost as little as $3 to $5. How awesome is that? So instead of splurging on fancy restaurants, head to these local gems for a delightful and affordable dining experience. Tip number 6, do-it-yourself excursions. Embarking on exciting excursions is a must during your trip to the Maldives. To save some cash, consider booking snorkeling, diving, or island hopping tours through local operators. Not only will you beat the expensive resort prices, but you'll also support the local economy. Plus, many tour operators offer customizable packages tailored to your preferences. And here's another insider tip. Don't be shy to negotiate the prices, as it's common practice in the Maldives. Pro tip, research and compare prices beforehand to ensure you're getting the best deal. Tip number 7, pack smart. Bring in essentials like sunscreen, snorkel gear, and swimwear can save you a ton of cash. On your trip to the Maldives, avoid the overpriced tourist shops and pack what you need. That way you won't feel tempted to buy pricey items while there. Trust us, it's a smart move for your wallet. Tip number 8, avoid alcohol. While the Maldives is known for its luxurious resorts and pristine beaches, it's essential to be aware of one major restriction. Alcohol is only available at resorts and comes with hefty taxes. This means that a simple beer can cost upwards of $10. And if you're thinking about a cocktail, brace yourself for a price tag of $20 or more, that's right. Alcohol can quickly drain your bank account in the Maldives, so if you're looking to save money on your trip, it's best to skip the drinks that contain alcohol. But don't worry, you can still enjoy refreshing coconut water straight from the coconut or indulge in delicious tropical juices. After all, the Maldives is a tropical paradise, and there's no shortage of delicious non-alcoholic beverages to quench your thirst. Tip number 9, use travel apps and deals. To make the most of your budget, utilize travel apps and deals. Websites like Booking, Calm, Agoda, or Airbnb often have last-minute deals that can save you a pretty penny. Plus, there are package deals that include transfers and meals, which can be a great value for money. Another useful tool is the Skyscanner app, which lets you track flight prices so you don't miss out on any drops or increases. Using these resources can help you find hidden gems and snag fantastic deals on your dream vacation to the Maldives. Tip 10, respect local customs. Keep an eye on your attire. In the Maldives, certain clothing choices can lead to trouble. On local islands, women should avoid wearing bikinis and men should steer clear of sleeveless shirts. To show respect to the local culture, it's important to dress modestly when exploring local areas. Additionally, refrain from bringing any pork products into the country as it's prohibited. By being mindful of these customs, you can avoid potential fines or uncomfortable situations during your trip. So do your research and dress appropriately to ensure a smooth and respectful travel experience in the Maldives. So there you have it, folks. 10 awesome tips to explore the Maldives on a budget. From traveling off-season to eating local, you can experience the magic of the Maldives without breaking the bank. Remember to plan ahead, book smart, respect local customs, and most importantly, pack light. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to an unforgettable adventure. Now it's time to take action and start planning your dream trip to the Maldives. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and get ready for a getaway you won't forget. Thanks for watching and happy travels. Oh, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and most importantly, keep saving money. Safe travels, everyone.